Alright, about to enter this and see how it goes. We'll keep it recording as well.
And 714?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Have a seat. I need your driver's license, that number F714, and your parking ticket. I do not need your envelope. You can keep the envelope. I don't need those.
I ain't gonna do this one.
It's on the garbage. This is good. Okay, raise your right hand, please. You swear to tell the truth?
Yep.
What's your name?
Michael
Last name?
Bahari.
Okay, fine. Ticket number 79594111815. Your plate is New York T214WTR. And the reason that you got a ticket, they didn't see your registration sticker on your car at the time of the ticket. You have a, what's the story?
Before we continue, I just want to, I'm not going to enter a plea like that right now, right?
Well, that's all you're doing is entering a plea. That's what you're here for.
Well, I can't really enter a plea until I start to understand the nature and cause of the ticket.
I just told you, the reason for your ticket was you didn't have a registration sticker on the window.
Right, that's the nature and cause. So is this a civil action or criminal action?
Civil action.
Civil action. All right, so let the record reflect that it's a civil action, and since it's
Let's
civil
start.
action, I make a motion to dismiss for lack of sworn complaint.
Okay, fine. I got you. Okay, you go to the other room there. I'll give you a written decision.
You can't really do that. I haven't entered into a plea, and under the Constitution of the United States of America, you have to allow me to enter into a plea.
So do it already. Come on.
I'm not guilty. Right. So, since it's not a plea, I failed. I move for motion to dismiss since no sworn complaint.
Okay, fine. I got you. Anything else you want to say?
Right. Hold on, give me a second. So, exercising the Sixth Amendment.
Look, I can't listen to constitutional things here. If you want to give me, sir, I cannot listen to any constitutional things here.
Why not?
Because we can't. We don't have a constitutional court.
Right, I understand that, but the Constitution Court.
Sir, if that's all you want to say is Constitution, you're finished. I'm not going to listen to you.
On all things.
I do not care about the Constitution here. We don't care about that. You have to go straight to Supreme Court to argue the Constitution.
I don't have to go to Supreme Court to go to the Constitution.
You cannot raise a constitutional issue in this court.
Right, so I have to understand your jurisdiction. Where's your jurisdiction?
Okay, fine. So
you have to divulge that to me.
Okay, you'll get a written decision, and then you go outside. I mean, you're just wasting my time, sir.
I'm not wasting your time.
You are.
If you're not divulging the actual jurisdiction, you have to do so under the Constitution of the United States of America, under the Sixth Amendment. Let the record reflect that the court refuses to provide jurisdictional notice, and I cannot continue until I need to know the proceedings in which this court is trying me for, so I proceed with this case. Let the record reflect that I, Michael Bahari, has asked the court to divulge the nature and cause of the accusation upon the authority of the Sixth Amendment, and that this court has failed in its duty to inform me of the nature and cause of this action. Furthermore, let the record reflect that this court intends to bring action against me under a secret jurisdiction known only to judges and lawyers.
Okay, the senior judge will talk to you about the Constitution.
Oh, that works. Cool.
She's a constitutional expert.
All right,
okay,
thank you so
so
much.
you have nothing else you wanted to tell me other than that, right?
I appreciate it.
Okay, fine. You wait outside, and she will talk to you, okay?
All right, good deal. Thanks, man.
Sit over here on this side. One of these seats here. She'll for you.
Judge obviously got furious and put me out into another thing. So that's cool.
Sir. Sir.
What do you need?
If you're gonna talk on the phone, you have to step outside.
I'm not talking on the phone.
I'm just saying.
Thank you.
If
Thank you.
do
Not talking on the
talk
phone. Not talking on the
if
phone.
you do talk to him on the phone, you
Thank
have to
you.
step outside.
Not talking on the phone.
So are you waiting for the senior judge?
Yeah, I actually am.
Okay, what can I help you with?
Right, I just asked the gentleman inside, I just want to know if it was civil or criminal. He told me it was civil. I just want to know the jurisdiction.
It's administrative.
Right, so that really doesn't count as an actual court of the United States. So I also asked him, like, if he could divulge that to me. He just kind of like, whew, kind of went off the left end. And then I told him I want this to be dismissed because there's no sworn complaint here. This is going to be civil, right? So there's no sworn complaint, then it should be on
There
civil.
is a sworn complaint. If you
Right,
look at the
so,
bottom of the violation.
right, yeah, but then this guy also lied under perjury, which is also penalty under
Well,
the New York.
that's a different issue.
Well, it's not really a
Okay,
different issue.
But
If it-
you're
if it's-
telling me that
if
there's
it's
no
written-
sworn, and it is.
Right, yeah, well, I have to see the sworn actually complaint here, because if that's the place, then that means that he was either some injured party, or somebody got hurt, or property was damaged of some sort. But here's the thing, since he didn't divulge in his jurisdiction, which he failed to do, I moved for motion to dismiss. He got kind of angry, which I find it funny. But this guy is saying that he didn't see a registration sticker missing, when obviously if you walk 40 feet from the vehicle, you can see left-hand side, driver's side registration sticker, big as daylight. I just don't understand how it was what's so hard and difficult to answer simple questions. So I may able to actually proceed during this hard course of,
But
administrative
what is
section.
the question that you have?
Well, I just want to know the
Our
the
jurisdiction
proceedings.
comes from the New York State VTL,
The VTO, right, and that's what.
the Vehicle and Traffic Law.
Right, being on traffic law, so I just want to understand, does it fall into does New York Constitution fall
The
into this
state
court?
enables any city of more than 1 million to establish their own parking violations.
Right, parking violation, but it's not like a jurisdiction, it's not like overall precedence over the Constitution, is what I'm trying to say, right?
No, we don't take precedence over.
Right, yeah.
But since we
Right.
are permitted by law to do it.
Right, yeah, but what law, that's why I just want to know, like, what
New
statute
York
law?
State VTL,
Right.
Vehicle and Traffic Law of the State of New York.
Alright, okay, doesn't really answer it, but that's cool. So I already let the record reflect that the Sixth Amendment didn't give me the actual jurisdiction, which it didn't do, so I
Okay,
couldn't.
well,
I can't even
take this to a court that can answer your questions.
Right, so I have to
and
go
you
to
can
like
address
the DMV court, like?
these. No, you'd probably have to go
To the
to
appellate?
state court.
Oh, we're in the state courts and just go ahead and do
You
that?
have to consult and find out if you could take it to the Supreme Court or if you have to go all the way up to Court of Appeals.
Right, I'll have to go to appellate courts before I go to Supreme Court, because the Supreme
No,
Court's the highest.
appellate court is not. You Supreme Court, then appellate court, then Court of Appeals in New York.
Why does it work backwards, so the Supreme Court's highest? Alright, I guess the Constitution doesn't
And
apply
then you
here.
may not even have to go to state court. You may have to take it against the state and go to federal court, which would take it completely out of it.
Well, yeah, of course, I mean, then I just turn around and sue the crap out of New York State.
Is there anything else that you want answered?
Well, I mean, not really, just that the axe motion be dismissed, and since he couldn't rightfully answer that, and I didn't enter to a plea, then there's no binding contract against me, such as this. Since it's on my property, just find a ransom note there.
Okay. You have instructions in there on how to handle it. You came in for a hearing today. The judge would have concluded the hearing.
Right, no, but he didn't. He failed to conclude the hearing, he failed to notify me of proper jurisdiction. So that's
No,
why.
that he doesn't have anything to do with that jurisdiction. He probably did conclude the hearing.
I'm
A
pretty sure if he,
decision probably is going to be rendered if it hasn't already been rendered, and
Right,
then
yeah.
you have the ability to file an appeal
Right, yeah.
or go to the state or federal courts.
so
It's
would
up
you
to
happen to know the judge's name in there? That's what.
It will be on the bottom of your decision.
Right, yeah. So if I decide to take him up above and make a formal claim to the judicial board to have him removed from his position for failing to provide proper justice, I can do that under the Constitution of New York and the United States Constitution. I can so do that. I have the right to and the power to.
Do we have a decision, Judge Johnson?
Constitutional law seems not to be valid here in Staten Island Borough of New York, which falls into the New York State Constitution, which provides a VT, as you heard on the record, for the record to reflect. Since he failed to let me enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, the case should be dismissed.
Where you parked here in the first place? And then bring it back into the shop. So when I got back out there. Are you still working at 2 o'clock in the morning? Oh, yeah. I understand, yeah. I had trouble with that there. You have any kind of proof that the car was locked in? At 2 o'clock in the morning, the car was locked in? Well, it wasn't, no, actually, it was parked out there early. When I went to bring it at 2 o'clock, it was. Yeah, but why couldn't you go in early?
So as you heard, the court has failed to provide proper jurisdiction.
What's up? What's your name? What's your name? Last name?
Bahari. People get angry.
Bahari,
That's the family surname.
here's your decision. You have 30 days in which to make the payment, 30 days
Yeah,
to
I'm
file
not-
an appeal,
not gonna
and
make
there's
no
an appeal
payments.
form there.
Okay, I'm not gonna make any payments though. All right, that's cool. I'll have the judge disbarred once it's over.
Excuse me, sir. Your skateboard.
All right, so the motion for dismissal was denied. The judge's name is Barry Glass, who I will move for a motion to appeal to the State of Judicial Board for unbecoming and also to be disbarred. All right, that concludes it.